Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys smash that like button. Smash that like button in the face. Subscribe to me, go follow me on Twitter and Instagram and TikTok. So today I got a slime top review. Sorry about the background. And it's got like this pretty packaging. Okay, there's a note. This is from Unicorn Slime Shop with the little hearts. Pretty paper. Put that on the wall. Okay. So I see there's some extras. Oh wait. This is a package that we got. Some extras. Okay. You got a notepad. Use that for school. With a picnic pop. It smells like birthday cake. I guess they put lotion in here for my slime. I don't really know, but it's like on this really pretty hanger. And then you got the world's smallest Barbie doll. You guys a close look. She can move her arms, she can move her legs, she can move her head. And then we got a note. So I ordered this. Sorry that it's backwards. So right here, you probably would read it. I ordered a fluffy slime, $3. Cloud slime, $4. And extras came along with my total was $7. We have it with really pretty like packaging. And sorry if the camera's moving, my cat's stuck on my bed, so. Here is my cloud slime, I'm guessing. So. I will be I'm going to be doing a slime giveaway. If I reach 1 million subscribers, I'll be doing a slime giveaway. To enter to win, oh yep, that's the cat right there. To enter to win, you guys will just need to follow me on not Facebook, Instagram. Slime Swirl. And you guys will enter to win. That was the cloud slime. Next we have more wrapping paper. Another packaging. With more. This is the next one. I'm guessing she wrapped it up. I don't want to tear the paper. Oh, sorry guys, you guys went blank. This one is my fluffy slime. It's like a poop color. I don't really want to ask for a pink. Apparently I asked for. It's like a metallic color. You know, let's see. Be sure to go follow me on. So yeah, click that subscribe button in the face and click that what's it called? We rhyme. We forget that I said that. Click that subscribe button. So click that subscribe button in the face. Like that. Click that like button in the face, and I hope I see you guys in my next video. Bye.